Hello learners, my name is Gaurav Tripathi. I am BTech last year student. Uh, this is the second lecture of unit 1 in which we will cover some important topics. In this tutorial we will discuss about error 404 hacking digital India part 1 change in detail. So, error 404 hacking digital India part 1 says hackers cannot know only your current location and GSP history, but also have complete access to your contacts, text message, Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, and most importantly, your banking details, including your CVV number. So, in error 404 hacking digital India part 1 says the cyber crime and the cyber attack hack the information of users like bank details and personal information. It is a real-time incident in this attackers of hackers creates an attractive video so that victim gets attracts and plays that video into the system. We can understand error 404 hacking Digital India password change in this example. You go to a website and you can actually be redirected to a similar looking website, your banking website. Uh, you type your password and all, and then you basically not real typing it's to bank details, but you are typing into hacker server. Phishing here has a phishing, the fraudulent practice of sending emails and copy to legitimate website in order to induce individuals to reveal personal information. If I open a phishing page for Facebook, here you can see what is this. It's a real Facebook page. It look totally similar, but it's a clone. It's a clone Facebook page. Um, if you see a clone Facebook page, then you see that domain name. Here you see facebook.com, but there you see FACE, then FFCAE, facebook.com, nothing new, FACEBOAOK, then you not gonna understand if you check your domain name that it's a real Facebook page. It looks totally similar. I will use my original username and password here. Now if I close this, see this is my username and password. This is my password. If you open the source code, if I host this particular page onto the server and I send it to victim thought email, they will log in normally and think that everything fine and safe, but it is not actually fine. Your username and password are really stolen right now. Hackers cannot know only your, I say that hackers cannot know only your current location and just history, but also have the good access to your contact, text message, Facebook, WhatsApp, and most importantly your banking details, your CVV number. So that's all for today. If you like the video, please like. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you very much.